EDD is definitely geared for developers because when you search for information on how to customize the product page, you end up getting a lot of technical documentation about the WordPress template hierarchy, what the templates look like, and what goes into each template. Because this product is made for developers, there's not much we can do to customize the product page without touching code. Now, if you really want to customize your EDD product pages, I recommend looking into page builders like Conductor, as well as other page builders like Beaver Builder. Both of these let you move around elements on the page without touching code. There is one really common thing we can do without code. Under Downloads, Settings, Miscellaneous, and then Button Text, we can change the Add to Cart button. For stores that have one product, I like when it says Purchase, because you're likely not going to add other things to your cart because there's only one thing. But when you have multiple things in your store, then I do like Add to Cart. So let's use Add to Cart. Right now it does say Purchase. So we'll save this. And let's go find our download that we like. I'll open this in a new tab. Now it says Add to Cart instead of Purchase. I want to do one more thing. There's a way to add a little bit of color to your button without any code. I'm going to use an emoji and paste it in. I'll save these changes and let's take a look at what it looks like on the front end. There we go. Do keep in mind that emoji depends a lot on what browser you're using, what operating system you're using, so that's why this looks slightly different than the one in the back end. And it might look slightly different for your user. But it's a nice, simple way of adding a little bit of color or personality to your site without having to change anything in the code. If you are familiar with PHP and you're familiar with WordPress hooks, it's relatively easy to use the technical documentation here to move things around on the page to wherever you want to put them.